I'm sharing with you my favorite features and also the reasons why I got this pocket knife. Let's have a closer look at the Masalong Outdoor Survival Claw Tactical Folding Knife. The blade is available in 2 colors, in black stonewash or silver stonewash. The blade is 2.5 inches and made of D2 steel. The handle material is made out of G10. Full length is 7 inches and it weighs around 5 ounces. You have the option to place your belt clip on either side. This folding knife has a tab on the back so you can pull it for a quick draw. With the blade out, it feels sturdy inside the handle and solid while cutting. It has a stable pocket belt clip and the finger hole is smooth and it's not too big and not too small. And the spine is a solid construction. Overall, I needed something that was small and compact and easy to carry. In this folding knife, there's a small tab right where I'm pointing where you push down to release the blade. I feel this pocket knife is more fun than a standard pocket knife because you can hold it in multiple ways and also carry it in multiple ways. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.